Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Express Transit on your Apple Watch Ultra 3 on Apple Pay. What Express Transit is basically a feature that, when enabled, lets you pay with your watch for public transportation without needing to double click on the side button. Without needing to have the watch unlocked. And don't worry, it only works in public transportation, and by default it's disabled. But if you'd like to enable it, you can simply pay with your Apple Watch for the public transportation, because in stores, if you just buy a product, you still need to double click and verify and have your passcode entered. But yeah, as I said, if you want to pay for public transportation, then you can simply enable that feature, so you don't really need to double click here on your watch to pay. So in order to do it, you'll need to go to Watch app, and then go to Apple Pay Wallet and Apple Pay, and then Express Transit card. Now select a card that you'd like to set up and enter the passcode on your Apple Watch to confirm. Now it's updating the card, as you can see right here. So it may take a moment. Now it is working. So if I held my Apple Watch near a special reader built into Transit, a supported transit reader, like it says here, I don't need to double click the side button. So I think that's quite great. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.